Guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you today's daily cipher word. As always, click here 3 times and the button will turn red, and the word that we are looking for right now, we are looking for this word wallet. So this is today's cipher word, wallet. And to get a W, we tap once, long press 2 times, and it will give us a W. A, you tap once, long press 1 to give us long press. Why is it doing that? Tap once, long press, tap once, long press. I don't know why it's doing that. Tap once, long press, that's a W. Then A, tap once, long press, that's a W, that's a A. Then L, you write, that's a L, another L. Then E, you tap once, then T, long press. So that's today's word, wallet. Then lastly, click on take the price. I'm going to put the Morse code in the description below so that you solve this. As you saw, today's word is wallet.